Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're talking about something that could completely change your financial life. It's all about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. If you've ever wondered how people make a living just by promoting products online, this is the video for you. We're going to break down, step by step, how to get started, how to find the right products, and how to start seeing those affiliate commissions roll in. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do, and this is crucial, is to choose your niche. This isn't just some marketing jargon. This is about finding something you're actually passionate about, something you know about. Think about it. You're going to be creating content around this niche, promoting products, answering questions. It's got to be something you can stick with and genuinely enjoy. Maybe you're a tech whiz who loves reviewing the latest gadgets. Boom, there's your niche. Or maybe you're a fitness fanatic who knows everything about getting in shape. There you go. Or maybe you're a personal finance guru who loves helping people budget and invest. See, the possibilities are endless. The key here is to choose a niche that has the potential for affiliate marketing. What does that mean? It means there are companies out there that will pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. And trust me, there are tons of them. Think about it. Almost every industry out there has some sort of affiliate program. You could be promoting anything from software and web hosting to beauty products and online courses. The key is to find something that you're genuinely interested in and that you know you can create great content around. So, take some time to brainstorm your passions, your interests, and your areas of expertise. Once you've got a few ideas, do some research and see if there are affiliate programs that align with those niches. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to find some affiliate programs that fit like a glove. This is where you actually find the products or services you're going to be promoting and start earning those sweet commissions. One of the easiest ways to get started is by joining an affiliate network. These are platforms that connect you with a whole bunch of different merchants and their affiliate programs. It's like a one-stop shop for finding affiliate opportunities. Some of the biggest names in the game include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Impact. These guys have massive databases of products and services across pretty much every niche you can imagine. For example, Amazon Associates is a no-brainer for beginners because, well, it's Amazon. They've got everything under the sun and chances are people are already buying stuff from them anyway. So you can easily find products that align with your niche and start promoting them to your audience. Another great option is ShareASale. They have a huge selection of merchants across a wide range of categories, from fashion and beauty to home and garden. They also have a really user-friendly platform that makes it easy to find and join programs. Now, besides these big networks, don't forget to check out individual companies that you love and use yourself. A lot of companies, especially in the tech, finance, and lifestyle spaces, have their own in-house affiliate programs. For instance, if you're in the web hosting niche, you could check out companies like Bluehost, SiteGround, or DreamHost. They all have affiliate programs that pay generous commissions for every new customer you refer. Or, if you're in the online course niche, platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera all have their own affiliate programs where you can earn commissions by promoting their courses. When you're evaluating affiliate programs, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First and foremost, look at the commission structure. How much will you earn for each sale or action that you drive? Some programs offer a percentage of the sale, while others offer a flat fee. The commission rates can vary widely, so it's important to compare and see what's out there. Finally, don't forget to do your research on the company and their products or services. Alright, so you've got your niche, you've found some awesome affiliate programs. Now it's time for the real work to begin, creating content that actually converts. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can create content in so many different formats. You can write blog posts, create YouTube videos, post on social media, send out email newsletters, record podcasts. The possibilities are practically endless. The key is to choose a format or formats that you enjoy and that aligns with your strengths. If you love writing, then blogging might be your jam. If you're more of a visual person, YouTube or Instagram could be your go-to. No matter what format you choose, the most important thing is to create high-quality content that provides real value to your audience. Think about it. People are bombarded with ads and promotional content all day long. So, how do you stand out from the noise? By creating content that's actually helpful, informative, or entertaining. Let's say you're in the travel niche and you're promoting travel insurance. Instead of just slapping an affiliate link on your website and calling it a day, you could create a comprehensive blog post about the importance of travel insurance. You could talk about the different types of coverage, the benefits of having insurance, and even share some personal anecdotes about times when travel insurance saved you. People are much more likely to consider buying travel insurance after reading a helpful and informative post like that. The key to creating content that converts is to put yourself in the shoes of your audience. Promoting affiliate links, the art of the seamless integration. Alright, you've got your niche, your affiliate programs, and your awesome content. Now it's time to talk about the moneymaker, actually promoting your affiliate links. The key here is to be transparent and authentic. Let your audience know that you're an affiliate for the products or services you're promoting, and be upfront about the fact that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. You can do this by including a simple disclaimer at the beginning or end of your content, or by using clear language like, "This post contains affiliate links," or "As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases." Remember, transparency builds trust. When you're upfront with your audience, they're more likely to respect your recommendations and feel good about supporting your work. Now, when it comes to actually placing your affiliate links, context is everything. Don't just randomly sprinkle them throughout your content without any rhyme or reason. Instead, strategically place your links where they naturally make sense and add value to the user experience. For example, if you're writing a blog post reviewing the best laptops for college students, you could include your affiliate links next to each laptop you recommend. Or, if you're creating a YouTube video about your favorite skincare routine, you could include your affiliate links in the video description box below the video. Make it easy for your audience to find and click on your links. Tracking and optimizing the data-driven path to affiliate success. Alright, so you've got your affiliate links out there in the world, working hard for you, but here's the thing, you can't just set it and forget it. To really maximize your earnings and make sure your efforts are paying off, you need to track your results and optimize your strategies. Thankfully, most affiliate programs and networks provide you with the tools you need to track your performance. This usually comes in the form of a dashboard where you can see important metrics like clicks, conversions, and earnings. Keep a close eye on your click-through rate. This tells you how many people are actually clicking on your affiliate links. If your click-through rate is low, it could mean that your links aren't placed effectively, or that your calls to action aren't compelling enough. Another crucial metric is your conversion rate. This tells you how many people are actually making a purchase or completing the desired action after clicking on your affiliate link. A low conversion rate could indicate that the product isn't a good fit for your audience, or that the sales page isn't optimized for conversions. By analyzing these metrics, you can start to identify what's working and what's not. Maybe you notice that a particular affiliate product is converting really well for you. That's a sign that you should create more content around that product and promote it more heavily. Or maybe you notice that your click-through rate is consistently low for a certain type of content. That could be a sign that you need to experiment with different link placements or calls to action. Data is your friend. The more you track your results, the more insights you'll gain into what's working and what's not. Earning commissions. Watching the affiliate income roll in. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for. Actually earning those affiliate commissions and seeing the money roll in. The amount you earn will depend on a variety of factors, including your niche, the affiliate programs you choose, the quality of your content, and the size and engagement of your audience. Some affiliate programs offer small commissions, maybe a few percent per sale, while others offer much higher commissions, sometimes even up to 50% or more. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build a sustainable income stream. But the beauty of it is that once you put in the work, you can start to generate passive income, meaning you can earn money even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up to emails notifying you of affiliate sales you made while you were sleeping. That's the power of affiliate marketing. As your audience grows and your content starts to rank higher in search engines, you'll start to see your earnings increase over time. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. That's it for today's video on affiliate marketing. Hopefully, you found this information helpful and you're feeling motivated to start your own affiliate marketing journey. Remember, it all starts with choosing a niche you're passionate about, finding great affiliate programs, and creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Be patient, be consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. It takes time to build a successful affiliate marketing business, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So get out there, start creating, and watch those commissions roll in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Let us know in the comments which affiliate programs you're excited to try. See you in the next video.